Today I will show you something React Native that is facing issue to run a React Native project. And before I will start, I want to show you something that I have created a command that is it is React Native starts and Gradle clean. So now before start I try to clean Gradle. Okay, so and also you can check the device, which device are connected, which device is connected to our project, and run the command npm run android. Okay, this is the issue I have facing it. So I will show you how to fix this issue. This is the issue, and that is a view pager related issue. So first you have to detect view pager uses or not, and if you use it your project, then where. So you have to find out. So now here in my project, in the package.json, this is the package I'm using. So I just remove it, then okay, then you have to install npm, and I'm using here a command also that is a legacy periodics. If you have more packages which are not too up to date with your npm, then you have to use that. And now I am just run the project. Let's check that it works or not. Okay. What I have done, that I just remove the package and then swing the project, and I'm trying to run that project. So I hope it will fix it. Okay, just waiting for the looks okay. Starting. Oh yeah, it's wheel successful, and okay. But one thing we have to check, that it's okay, it's wheel successful, but the project is running or not. If you open your emulator, then you can check it. So after the complete the metro, we will see there is a issue this file, and okay, I think I have used a package that has a dependency with pager view. Okay, but I was removed that package, so that's why it occurs this issue. So we have to keep that package. So now we have to roll back. So this is not the solution. We have to think, or you have to rethink and find out the solution. Okay, what we will do, just I will change the version of this pager view, just downgrade it, and the version is 5.4.9. That's it. And which package is using it? That is React Native tab view. And okay, nothing else to do. Okay, clean it and run the metro. Okay, one thing before that, we will delete the node modules and log file. Then we have to rerun the npm I command. That will get all the packages. Okay, that's the changes I have done here. Just change the version of the pager page view packages version, just downgrade and keep the same version what I have, React Native tab view. That's it. So let's check it. I'm just I have run the command npm I, and it's getting all the packages from npm. After that, I have to run another command, that is React Native cache clear. That is uh, I have set a command, that is keep the command, that is npm run reset. Okay, um, then I run the command to run the project in Android. I hope it will fix the issue. Let's see. Yeah, build successful. So okay, now run the project in Android. uh, I hope this time it will fix the issue. So what I have done, uh, that is just I have changed the version of the PHP packages, just downgraded, uh, and the main package, that was React Native tab view. It has a dependency with PHP. That's why I kept that package, but it's conflicting with the version of tab view. That's why I downgraded that package pager view. So I think this is the solution. Let's see. After all the command, here it is. My project is now run successfully. successfully. So this is the solution, guys. Thank you for your.
Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.